Sudlon ka na siya because this is our...
Ito na item, maging bakay ko because this is Mr. E-Box! What is this kaya, no? So, sa kitchen siya magagamit, sa balay.
Feeling ko.
So, congratulations kay Asenach Artubal, no? Hindi mo na niyang atin nga electric kettle.
So, pinasadya, pinaswerte, we promise to give you the best quality. Parehas na ginobra namon, but subukay new normal, we give you more pagid, more innovations, kaya technology, subong iba na, kag we'll try to do the best that we can para madula ang pagka-miss niyo sa amon. O, kami nang bahala. O, hindi para tanan-tanan niyo na miss nag-cancel niyo sa life niyo, magpuna namon because ang kasadya kag swerte na ginahatag namon sa inyo every Friday.
Balikan mo, well, with everything that you're doing now, does it remind you of your beginnings?
Of
with
course.
ABS-CBN?
So, kung balikan ko sa ABS-CBN, dito ko yung nag-start. So, ara ko sa sales. Tapos, kung mag-ubra ka concept, so kinahanglan yun ipaproduce. So, involved na ako sa production. With all the clients nga gina-serve ko, nga gin-treat ko man as friends, ang iba nag-upod man sa akon. Kung mo na siyang na-appreciate ko, kahit ang relationship nga gin-build mo sa ila, hindi lang yan silang pang short term or pang long term. So, damas-damo mga kami na puligan.
And those na wala na sa ABS-CBN, ari naman
yes,
sa
so, siyempre happy man kami nga daw halos mga taga-ABS-CBN man mga upod tadi, kag di mga batikanan niya, like you, di ba? Thanks to ABS-CBN. Siyempre kag relationship mo sa ila, that's why siguro nga daw kapos mo man sila balang mapakiusapan. So, amo na siya, ang aton guro maging proud sa being a pamilya.
And since I said it's a special day, so I made sure that I really dressed up for the occasion. First time ko nag-effort. It's because I got to be a celebrity guest.
Ay, Pauline, para sa isang masayang game.
Thank you so much, Kuya Blue! And our next game is called What's on My Head? Para in this episode about my kaupod naman kita ng espesyal na bisita. Ganing pagkatawon na siya. Sunod na! Grabe, long time no see! Yes! So, Miss Yas, kamusta naman ang iyong mga life this pandemic? Can you share it sa ating mga onliners?
Yes, Pauline, 2020 has been very challenging for me to the rest of our kapamilyas aside from the pandemic. Of course, everybody knows ABS-CBN in the province has shut down. But God is good. He sustains us. Well, I am blessed. I am very busy sa teaching undergrad in the UNOR, and then I'm doing graduate school teaching naman sa West Negros University, and I'm also teaching seminars sa seminary. I can't complain, okay? It's been busy, and then of course, I'm into vlogging na, something that I've always wanted to try, and now I can try it. Well, we have to some transition and event.
Ikaw, Miss Yas, gaubra ka man sa mga TikTok dances?
Wala ako TikTok, pero ang bata ko, si Isabella Andrea, ay TikToker.
Hi, Isabella! Normally, by man si Isabella, kung makita, yaka din nag-TikTok dance.
First time!
Yes, Miss Yas, okay ko man-TikTok kita. Alright. Duda ka kung may TikTok account ka lang niya wala. Okay. Yes. Okay, Miss Yas, may ipakilala ko si mo. Isa niyo siya sa atin ng mga avid followers sa ating Facebook page. At sa ating TV screen. Hi! Yes. Ano atong pangalan?
I'm Camille from Mansilingan.
Camille, ready ka na nga maghambang?
Ready na!
Ready na. O Miss Yas, ano mahambal mo kay onliner Camille?
Camille, I really want to give you the prize. I mean, I want us to win. Yeah. Because this is about making people happy, so I want to make you happy.
Wow! So, we have here our mystery item. So, ang tawag niya sa namon, actually, corona. So,
wala man yung kuryente, no?
Wala.
Malay.
Bagay?
Abin.
Nagamit sa balay? Kalahan? Eskwelahan?
Habay.
Online teaching? Notebook? Papel? Lapis? Ballpen? Blackboard? Laptop? Tablet?
Walay.
App? Ginagamit sa sulat? Sa pagbasa?
Walay.
Eskwelahan, no? Ginagamit sa eskwelahan, bisan may pandemic, pwede?
Carry.
Hindi ka makasunod sa eskwelahan kung wala mo ginagamit?
Carry.
Face mask?
Carry.
Alcohol?
Walay.
Ginasuksok ko?
Habay.
Face shield?
Habay.
Nakuha nila ang answer ng face shield in 1 minute and 58 seconds! Wow! Congratulations! Tumutira, Camille, may ara ka sa 1,000 pesos!
Thank you.
Grabe! Ano ba? Plug siya.
Yes, support Pinasadya, Pinaswerte. I am ecstatic I was ecstatic when I learned about it. It's really something about giving, no, and making people happy. And to me, it's the one thing that we need right now, especially when it's the holiday. It reminds us of the goodness of people. And I am proud of everybody here. I mean, the ones working for this show, because I know how difficult it is financially for all of them. Kabalo kita, ano kabudlay na magkamita kwarta, but still, the value, service, no? Public service, pays. Okay? And I'm really proud of them. Please support Pinasadya, Pinaswerte. Thank you guys for doing this. And also, please follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's all about positivity, inspiring stories, motivating stories, uplifting stories. Because I believe now is the time not think of ourselves, but be of help in our own little way. Able to lift up the spirits of our brothers and sisters. But we will all survive by God's grace.
Yay!
So wala siyang adlaw madulom sa tao mo may paglaom. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, Miss Yasmin Pascual Bermido.
Mga onliners, madamog nga salamat. Padayon ng gyapon nga pagsuporta sa Pinasadya, Pinaswerte. Kay syempre, tanan-tanan naman ginaobra, ginahatag ini para sa inyo kasadya.
First number is number 3.
Hello!
Hello, good evening.
Good evening! Ano ato pangalan? What's your name?
Jerlyn.
Jerlyn, hi Jerlyn! Congratulations! May ara ka sa 500 pesos cash, 5 kilos of rice, and a Noche Buena pa!
Everybody, it's really nice to be able to be of help and to bring cheer to people. Thank you, Pinasadya, Pinaswerte, for the opportunity. Of course, guys, follow them on Facebook, and of course, soon they'll be on YouTube. But of course, don't forget, subscribe to Yas, and let's all have fun, be inspired, be motivated, and help each other. Okay? Pinasadya, Pinaswerte, Pinagwapa. Okay, it's alright.